Today, I bring another wonder. This time, Smart Home Grinder 2-in-1 cup. This one is known as the crusher. The crusher. It crushes everything that comes its way. 100% copper coil motor. Total crushing. High-speed cyclonic technology. Tiger nut and almond. Watch me as I grind all these items. Wonders. Our action speaks louder than words. Thank you so much. It's your guy, Kingsley Oji. 2,200 watts, 2,500, 2,800 watts with 4-liter cup, very big cup. Get the value of your money by buying original things. Capitalize on Smart Home Grinder.